best description of hybrid additive manufacturing is takes the best aspects of additive manufacturing, basically starting with a metal powder and growing or laser sintering the part to form geometry, and combines that with subtractive technologies or subtractive manufacturing, where you're actually removing metal to get to final machine-like surface finishes and tolerances. And it combines that into one machine and one process, thus the hybrid name. The hybrid additive is really a very unique subset, and LUMEX, I think, based on the history of Matsuura organization being a very high-end milling company, and combining that with the powder bed fusion system that we have on the LUMEX, it really gives our potential customers unique opportunities to make very fine detail and use the parts directly as they come off of our machine, without a bunch of post-processing, without different material treatments, and really addresses three very big problems that most manufacturers today have: skilled labor, unattended machining or unattended operation, and lights out manufacturing. And then combine that with the benefits of creating porous structures and conformal cooling, which can only be done using additive manufacturing, really gives the customer another tool in their toolbox to service their end-use customers, making their value significant in the market. Certainly the most publicized application for hybrid additive manufacturing is employing conformal cooling, or really thermal control on an injection mold. Significant cost savings, significant cycle time savings are achieved with really minimal or no added cost to the component that you're addressing. Some of the unrealized or underutilized technologies, especially with liquid silicone molding or very deep rib molding or real technical molding, is employing integrated venting solution using porous media or porous structures, which act just like real metal, but allow the gas or the venting to occur pretty much anywhere you want it, and really reducing the overall costs of the produced mold and the part, improving part quality, all good examples of where additive can be used in the LUMEX technology. Mostly on the core side of the mold is where you're going to achieve those benefits.